Hey YouTube, what's up? Yeah, what up, peeps? What up, great world, everybody? Hola, once again, welcome back. This your boy Jay, and I'm back with another video. As promised, I'm back with an unboxing of what's inside this box right here. So, peeps, way world, everyone. If you really want to see what's inside this box, please stay tuned. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below on what y'all want to see. Give me feedback. Any good feedback or negative feedback would greatly appreciate it. It's just gonna motivate me to work even harder, right, peeps? Look at this. So if you guys don't know what's inside this box, like I said, stay tuned. Don't touch that dial. And on that note, let's get into this video, peeps. Now, before I get into this unboxing, I know you guys see my hair right now. Yeah, it's not the best look. It's crazy right now. I'm in the middle of a washing style, trying out some things. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So if my hair looking crazy, or it's like looking matted down, and you can still see the waves, but it's not like perfectly, just because I'm doing something to my hair right now, trying out some products right now, and I'm getting a wash styling at the same time. So, but yeah, enough of that. Everyone, let's get into this unboxing. Now, like I said in my previous video, I know what's inside this box. But do you guys know what's inside this box? Leave a comment below if you guys can guess what's inside this box. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds. All right, so let me get to this box. Now also, when you purchase this product on their website, use the discount code Eddie and you get 10% off. That's Eddie. And once you check out, you put that code Eddie inside the discount, and you guys will get 10% off your order if you guys are looking for a discount. So yeah. Also, you guys can go check out his YouTube Barber Academy, and he goes live like every Saturday, and he has guests, and we talk about different topics, and he does giveaways, and one of the guests was actually from this company right here, and they was telling us about some of their new products and what they did to this product right here. So yeah, man, just be on the lookout. Like I said, use code Eddie for that discount, 10%. I know everybody would like a discount on something, right? You don't want to pay full price, right? Why should you have to if you got a discount code, right? 10%. So yeah, but like I said, definitely go check out his YouTube videos. Make sure y'all join the live because he does a lot with this company right here. Great details, updates, and man, you just gonna miss out on some good information and good conversation. So yeah, but all right, peeps, way world. Now, like I said, when you go to their website, go to GammaUSA.com. That's GammaUSA.com. And like I said, when you check out, use that code Eddie, you get that 10% discount. And man, yeah, you can get you one of these right here. Let me take out the box if I can get out the box, because this is, I can't even get out the box. Okay, this is what came in the box right here. Okay, yeah, the invoice, Stylecraft. Okay, so nothing else inside the box. Like I say, man, you can get you one of these right here. You can get you one of these right here. Now, this is a fairly new company that's been out for a year now, or maybe a year and a half now. Yeah, they just hit the market like for about a year and a half. They've been out putting out products. They're always innovating. They're always listening to their customers' feedback, and they always improve on their next product. So basically, we ask them what we want, and we say we want this, we want a clipper that's not gonna get too hot, or we want a battery, or we want a more powerful clipper, better guards or something, man, this is the company that updates their products constantly. They're constantly updating their products. So yeah. Now I just seen a bunch of unboxings of the Stylecraft Ergos. This is a professional modular clipper with turbocharged magnetic motor right here. So this is right here, what it is right here. Comes in a couple different colors, the purple, the blue, and the matte black. So we'll see which one use. And they got the stuff on the back right here. Now why does my box, okay, I thought my box was different for a second. But yeah, man. So it says it's high speed, black diamond, carbon blade, adjustable zero blade, 3 attachable custom body kits, 100 minutes of cordless runtime, lithium ion battery, low noise and low vibration. Now, look at this, man. Yo, peeps, look at this inside this box. Now, this is what you call a box from a company that does good packaging, good shipping. I mean, there's other companies that does good things like Crown Quality, Brush King, a bunch of other companies that when they package their product, they put in some good boxing that makes for good advertisement that shows that they're taking care of their customers and they appreciate the things that we ask, and they go above and beyond to make sure they run a good business. And like I say, Gamma has good customer service. Gamma has some good products out there. So like I say, Gamma, if you want to sponsor your boy, hit me up on my YouTube, my email. Like I say, we could work something out. And on that note, peeps, now let's get into what's inside this box. First of all, we have the Stylecraft charging dock right here, SC. And then you have the little charging port where you plug in your cable at right here. Also, let's see what's inside this box before we get into this. You have the guards. I'll get into this later. We have the quick cable cord, the cord that goes right into the back of the dock right here. We also have this Stylecraft. I like that they have this screwdriver right here. So everybody has got one of these. You would get one of these when you order your product. That's a good thing right there. We have the little interchangeable click levers right here, and another accessory that you can change to put on your clipper right here. So yeah, these little bit of screws in here, and that's what the screwdriver is for, to help you, assist you to if you want to customize your clipper, you can screw them out, change the face plates. But yeah, you got the user manual and the warranty right here. Other than that, that's empty. Nothing else inside this box. Now, as you guys can see on the top of this, or the box right here, they have a bunch of customizable clippers in different colors. Some is customized with the blue and purple, the black and blue, purple and blue. Yeah, then they have the basic black, blue, and purple. Now, that's what's inside this box right here on the top. Let's see if I can get these out. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna enjoy this clipper right here. I know I will. Get these out. Okay, so we got the black matte finish faceplate right here. So I'm gonna definitely try that one out one of these days. They definitely have this color right here, the purple, so I like this color too. Yeah, this is nice right here. This is nice right here. Yeah, now let's get into the clipper itself. Now this clipper right here, let me explain something to you guys. First of all, Gamma, Stylecraft, they're coming out with a new pair of guards right here. New edition of these guards, a better version, updated version of these guards real soon. So be on the lookout for these. Now, you can buy these separate when they come out, but also these new guards right here are going to ship with their new clipper. Now let me explain something to you guys, the difference. Now, first of all, if you are a seller or retailer who sells these clippers, who sells the Ergos and the Alphas, now they have the Alpha, the Gamma Alpha edition of this clipper right here, and that's the Alpha edition, but this is the Stylecraft SC edition. Now, when I was looking around for this clipper, I asked them, did they have the updated version of this clipper? And they were confused. They didn't understand what I was talking about because they didn't realize that Gamma has updated this clipper right here, and they were just like, they didn't understand why Gamma would update a clipper they just came out with not too long ago. But furthermore, they had these clippers in stock, but I wanted the 2.0 version. And so if you were looking for this version right here, make sure you ask them if they had the 2.0 version, because this the new one with the updated motor of the 9-volt. Now the 5-volt version is pretty good too. Based off reviews for people using this clipper, check out Eddie's live. He definitely liked this clipper too. And he goes live like every Saturday, so don't miss the conversations. He gives you good insights, updates on these clippers right here. And actually we got to talk to Austin on the live about the new updates. That's why I'm able to tell you guys about the new updates that Gamma has in the works. So like I say, they're coming out with a new clipper. It's the same clipper, but it's going to be called the Ergo X. And it's going to be a little bit different, but it's basically the same clipper, but it's the Ergo X's. And then all the new clippers from here on, they're going to have the new 9-volt motor inside the clipper. So this is a limited edition, updated version. So make sure if you can get one of these clippers, make sure you get the 2.0 because they're limited in stock and what they put out with the new motor. So this is the updated version of the motor. Let me see what these clippers sounded like, cause man, this is nice, man. Look at the way this clipper, man. It's like you hold it, it's like you fading just like flat. Look at the way this clipper is. Look how the way this clipper is, peeps. Got the clip lever on here, yeah. But let's see how it sounds. But I will give my definitely a review, and I will do a video on that. I'm gonna give myself a cut. I'm gonna give myself a taper. So I'm gonna shoot a video on that too. But we're gonna test these out, have some fun with these bad boys. Cause my other clippers, they were like dying out. So they were getting awfully, excessively louder than they were before. But I'm not bashing my other clippers, but hey, it's time for some new clippers and faster. And so let's see. Yeah, I like this. So as you guys can hear, it seems like, yeah, this is definitely the faster motor. I can tell there's a difference. And like I say, the reason why I know that there's a difference, because like I say, I watched Eddie's lives, other YouTube barbers who have this clipper already and using it, done their unboxing. So Eddie has showed us him using this clipper and showed us what it sounds like. And then he showed us the updated version too. So I kind of already had an idea of what the new version sounded like. And it sounded faster and it's more powerful. So this definitely is what this is right here, the 2.0 version right here. Like I said, you can definitely go check out MMA the Barber. He just got his box from Gamma, so they surprised him with a box. And he just did his boxing of the Gamma, what they sent him. Now, they gave him a bunch of other stuff too, but I didn't get that. But that's cool though. I mean, as long as I got a clipper right here that's really good, and I can tell this is gonna be a clipper to use for a long time. And I definitely like this blade. Yeah, and this clipper, man, this clipper, it cost me $187 for this clipper. Now, like I said, I saved up for a while to get this clipper, and when I finally was able to get it, I bought it. And like I said, one of the main reasons why I bought it was because they had the new motor The 2.0 version updated, so I made sure I saved up for it. Cause I was in the market for a new clipper anyway, so I just saved my money up so I was able to find one that I like. And you know what I'm saying, Gamma came out with these right here, and I got to seeing Eddie's lives and all the updates and him using the clipper, and everybody else doing reviews and using the clipper, and they're raving about how good this clipper is. So I was like, man, let me try it out, and I like it. So I haven't used it yet, but so far, based on some reviews and other people's testimonies, yes, this is a go. But yeah, peeps, wave world, everyone, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the comments and the feedback. Like I said, I will be doing a video on this update. I'll say about me. I don't know. I'll do an update soon about how I like this clipper and do a cut video. Like I said, if you want to leave a comment, leave it below. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the like button. Please subscribe to all your friends, peeps. Come to the channel. Great things to come. And yeah, so peeps, on that note, peace.